Now our exclusive interview with Wisconsin Governor Scott Walker. There he is speaking to Iowa Republicans last weekend as part of the unofficial kickoff to 2016. And it's looking like that appearance was a success. Check out these brand new poll numbers this morning. In an Iowa survey from the Des Moines Register and Bloomberg, Walker is now the top GOP pick among likely caucus goers. He jumped from just 4 percentage points back in October. And in our Facebook centimeter, look at how his buzz online jumped after that speech in Iowa. Governor Walker is our exclusive live guest after this from ABC's Jonathan Karl.
He's the one who took on the labor unions in a fight that gave birth to the Occupy movement. Now Wisconsin Governor Scott Walker hopes to stand out among a crowded field